from my room. I think here 102. Ta-da! Come in to my hotel. Want to show my bed? Yeah, my bed. We have 2 floors here. I'm so exciting. For a long time I not do this trip, so I want to sleep here. I feel like I am in hangmat. I think because tick very slow. And I will wake up in Berlin. So where I am, what station? Maybe somewhere in Switzerland. This I show you very cute small toilet. Ding 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 ding. This toilet here. Quite very small to get in here. and yeah, that's my shower room. I even can be in here. Oh, that means I'm too small, right? Oh, I close the camera. Yeah, my shower room. Ding, ding, ding. I want to show you my bed. Yeah. 1 bed, 2 bed. So now the train is going.